So I remember arriving back from holiday to a rainy, grey, miserable London Heathrow, and instantly I just started thinking about my next holiday, my next escape. And I realised that's how I was running my life. I was always looking forward to the next thing, the next thrill or next event. The reason being, I really wasn't living in the present, and I realised I hated being an employee, I hated being a slave to a company. And in my heart of hearts, what I wanted was independence. I wanted financial, time and geographical independence. And I knew that being an employee didn't give me those things. I wanted to become a business owner, but I didn't have a real pathway, idea or plan. So for the next few weeks, I just became determined to find a solution. I just started watching inspirational videos on YouTube on my daily commute, whether that was Tony Robbins, Tom Bilyeu, Joe Dispenza, Robert Kiyosaki, whoever it was, whatever it was, just to get some kind of inspiration or idea or nudge in the right direction on how to start a new business or strategy. And after many weeks of research, I found a global community of digital entrepreneurs willing to help complete beginners like me make that transition to a digital lifestyle, a laptop lifestyle. Of course, I was extremely skeptical at first, but I just decided to watch a free webinar that they sent me. And I'm very grateful I did, because that webinar helped me understand basic online business ideas. I didn't have a clue what type of business I wanted to run or even what was possible. But then that webinar showed me step by step how to build a fully automated online business from scratch. What was most surprising for me was just how many people from all types of backgrounds and ages had already made this transition to a freedom lifestyle business, working for themselves and earning a healthy income just from their laptops. So for the first time in my life, I became bold. I surprised myself, and I followed the steps in the webinar. And with the help and support of a dedicated community, it's changed my life. So I'm at a stage now in my own journey where I want to help others make that transition. So if you're watching this and you want to start your own online business from scratch, I'd be more than happy to send you that webinar, that same webinar that got me started. For free, of course, because that's how I received it. So if you click below, it will take you to my website, and you can fill in your name and email details, and then you get access to that webinar. And if you're someone like me that has ambitions to start living in the present, or maybe you're looking for more time, more freedom, or you're just seeking an alternative way of earning, considering how jobs are so insecure these days, then I would strongly recommend that you click the link below and judge for yourself. I remember thinking this is all too good to be true. But thinking back now, it was just an amazing opportunity that presented itself at just the right time to me in my life. Maybe you're at that stage in your life where you want to start exploring an alternative lifestyle. Ask yourself, how badly do you want to change? Take the first step, and I'll speak to you real soon.